So first we're going to take Glow, and Glow is a very neutral cream based type of color. Next we're going to go in with Liberty. It has to be really blended out, and I do prefer to apply these with the finger, but you can always use a brush. I know eventually I will use a brush in this video. The next color is Nillionaire. This one has a lot of little tiny specks of glitter, and it's okay. I actually preferred that for this look, just to give everything that extra pop of shimmer. The last color is Roulette, and Roulette is black. It's a really deep dark black, so I recommend using something small like your pinky, and then just adding tiny bits at a time and making sure it's completely blended, especially this color. See, here I am with the brush. Now I'm going to go in with Physicians Formula's Butter Bronzer. I purchased it at Walmart, and it's not defective. That's exactly what I thought when I picked it up because of that sticker in front of it. But no, it's actually just something that they like to do, I'm guessing. Next, I'm going to be using Physicians Formula's highlighter, and this is in the shade Pearl. So I'm just going to take that highlight and highlight the inner corners of my eyes, and as well as my brow bone. I'm going to go right into lashes now, and I didn't want to do a crazy coat of mascara because of the type of lashes. So these are from Salon Perfect, and they are the number 615. So these are the tweezers that I was talking about in my previous video. I love them. They're really, really good for lashes, especially because they are really thin and pointy, as you guys saw. So for lips, I'm going to be using Colourpop's Lippie pencil in the shade Marshmallow and Lightly Charged by MAC. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys really did enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time.